Good afternoon everyone, my name is Jack and I'm with Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2006 Bluebird XL. Right. This is a transit bus, local here to Washington. As I said before, 2006 Bluebird XL, powered by the Cat C7 7.2 liter turbo diesel engine. And let's check on inside. So coming on in, it is a blue floor. You could call it a aqua or just a lighter blue. Do have some yellow step nosing and some grip tape so you don't lose your grip, and as well as dual grab rails coming in. As far as the driver area, you do have a Recaro air ride driver seat here. No rips, tears, anything like that. Come on over here. So we do have a AM/FM cassette stereo, and your climate controls here, as well as all of your gauges. This does have 190,000 miles. I believe we have two of these as well, so we do have two matching units. Coming to the back here, there's your windshield wipers and some other controls like high idle and some lights, things like that. Coming to the back here, so these are pretty much your standard Freedman featherweight mid-high back seats. They do have, I believe that's a level 5 or a level 6. It's called the Rainbow Streamer seat cover. Don't remember if it's 5 or 6. I think it's 5, but don't take me on that. Do have grab handles on all seats going down. Usually, sometimes you're just on aisle side. Sometimes you're lucky and you get both. So it's pretty cool. I do want to point out this crack here on that window, but I believe all the other windows look pretty good. We do have some emergency exit windows. I think we got 4 up here on this side of the bus, and then 2 on the other side over there. Looking up top here, we do have some grab handles, or grab rails with grab handles connected like such, and a midship entry door with a wheelchair lift. Not detected if that wheelchair lift is working, but it looks like if you step too far or something, yeah, the little buzzer goes off, so tells you not to do that. Coming to the back here, do have a air conditioning system back here. This is where I believe the evaporator's at. Don't take my word on that one, but I did see some air conditioning controls up front. So looking back here, we do have these seats are foldaways, so they fold up and you can put your wheelchair lifts there. There's the Q-string straps to tie them down. It's got everything you needed to do that. Looks like all 3 of these fold up, so you can accommodate wheelchair passengers. I do want to confirm that AC here. Looks like, yeah, we do have some AC and kind of a makeshift button there, and oh, as well as powered mirrors. That's awesome. It's always a good feature, so nothing wrong with that. We're going to go outside here, show you a little bit of the exterior and underneath. So far, I mean, it's going to have your normal wear and tear, little dings and dents here, but for the most part, the body looks pretty awesome. Got a little bit of stuff there, scratch there, but considering the year and the miles, looking really good underneath as well. Looks awesome, very clean. Alright, coming around to the engine area here. As I said, Cat C7 7.2 liter turbo diesel engine. Yeah, I'm gonna move back so you can actually hear me. Yes, it does have air conditioning. You can see the big compressor here on the right side. So just confirming that. I'll show you a little bit more. I did see on that air conditioning compressor, it said Thermo King on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and think that that's a Thermo King unit. We did have another Bluebird XL here before, and that's what it was. It was a 2007. So that's definitely a big AC compressor. Definitely an awesome feature for a transit style bus. Well, thank you for watching this Northwest Bus Sales exclusive video tour. If you like this bus or any other buses on our lot, you can call us at 1-800-231-7099, visit us at nwbus.com, or email us sales@nwbus.com. Thank you very much for watching.